Fruit mold videos are exploding right now on YouTube and TikTok, and most people have no idea why they keep watching them. One channel uploaded a video just 2 days ago, and it already has 4.9 million views. Another video from 3 days ago crossed 3.1 million views. And a video from 5 days ago, over 6 million views. This is not luck. This is a format that is working right now. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to make one yourself using completely free tools, even if you have never made a video like this before. And the best part? It costs almost nothing to create. So if you want to know the exact step-by-step process I use to make these viral fruit mold videos, stay with me until the end, because I am going to break down everything. To get started, open ChatGPT and click on Explore GPT. In the search bar, type fruit mold and open the GPT that shows up. Once it is open, click on Start Chat and then select the Start option. The GPT will then ask you 3 simple questions to set up your video. First, it will ask whether you want a man or a woman in the video. Second, it will ask what type of fruit you want. For example, a banana, strawberry, apple, or pineapple. It will ask what shape you want the mold to be, such as a bear, rabbit, star, or cat. You can type your own idea based on whatever you want in your video. For example, I type that I want myself as the main character. The fruit should be a strawberry, and the shape should be a star. Once you type your idea into the prompt box and click the Generate button, ChatGPT will start building your video concept. After a short wait, it will first give you an image prompt for the opening scene, and right below that, it will give you a prompt to turn that image into a video. Now let us go through the image generation steps. First, copy the image prompt that ChatGPT gave you. Then open a free image generation website called Pippit AI. The link is available in the description below. Once you are on Pippit AI, paste the first prompt into the input box. Before generating, make sure to set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and select your preferred model. Then click the Generate button. Once the first image is ready, you will see an option below it that says Add to Chat. Click on that so the image gets uploaded into your prompt box. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt, paste it below the uploaded image on Pippit AI, and click Generate again. Once that image is created, repeat the same process for all remaining images. Keep going through each prompt one by one until all your images are generated. I will now quickly show you how this looks in action. Once all your images are ready, you need to download them one by one. Simply click on the first image and you will see a download button in the top corner. Click on it and save the image to your computer in PNG format. Make sure you download them without a watermark. Repeat this for every image you generated until you have all of them saved. Now the next step is to convert these images into videos. For this, we are going to use a tool called Flow AI. Open Flow AI and click on New Project. Once the project interface opens, click on the Settings button and select Video. Then set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and select the model called VEO 3.1. After selecting your settings, click the Upload button and upload your first image. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt that matches your first image. Paste that prompt into Flow AI and click the Generate button. Wait for the video to be created. Once your first video clip is ready, upload the next image and paste its matching video prompt the same way. Repeat this process for all your images until every one of them has been converted into a video clip. Once all clips are ready, download them all to your computer. After downloading, open CapCut to edit your video. In CapCut, arrange all the clips in order. Align them together. Add any finishing touches, and your video will be ready to upload. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new video.